Hi everyone. AI is not here to replace the project managers. It's here to empower the ones who know how to use it. Are you a project manager preparing for interviews and suddenly hearing the questions about AI and wondering what exactly should I answer? Today, AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's something interviewers expect project managers to understand, explain, and confidently apply. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 20 powerful AI interview questions for the project managers, and more importantly, how to explain your answers clearly and confidently, just like you would in a real interview. No jargon, no theory overload, only practical interview ready explanation you can actually use. So, if you are a project manager, scrum master, delivery lead, or an aspiring project manager, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is AI and why is it relevant to the project manager? AI or artificial intelligence refers to the systems that can learn from data, identify patterns, and make predictions. So, artificial intelligence is the ability for the computers to learn and perform the tasks like human. For a project manager, AI is not about coding models. It's about using intelligence to improve the delivery. AI helps us plan better, predict risk and earlier, automate the repetitive tasks, and focus more on leadership and decision making rather than the manual tracking. How can AI improve project planning? Traditionally, the project planning depends heavily on experience and assumptions. AI changes this by analyzing the historical project data. It can predict the timelines, highlight the dependencies, flag unrealistic schedules early, and suggest more accurate estimates. This helps the project managers move from the guest based planning to a data driven planning. Another common question that can be asked in the interview is to give a suggestion like, can AI replace project managers? AI cannot replace the project managers. While AI is excellent at automation and analysis, it lacks emotional intelligence, judgment, and leadership. So project managers manages the people, conflicts, stakeholder expectations, and uncertainty. AI supports the project manager, it does not replace the PM. What AI tools should a project manager be familiar with? AI can significantly improve the communication by generating tailored reports from various stakeholders. It can summarize the meetings, highlight the key risks, and produce executive level updates quickly. This saves the time and ensures the consistency and clarity in the communication. So, few tools that you are already familiar with, you can bring it as an answer for these questions. Here, if someone asks me the same question to me, I will be straight away go ahead and give the answer like ChatGPT or Copilot for the documentation or governance, Jira AI for the sprint insights, and Power BI with predictive analytics, forecasting, and ML based tools. And if you have any internal, the organization that you are working with, if you have any internal tools, please give the explanation for that as well. How AI can help in the stakeholder communication. AI can significantly improve the communication by generating tailored reports for different stakeholders. It auto generates the status reports, summarized the meetings and action, that is the real time tracking, tailors updates for the different audiences, highlights the risks and decisions clearly. Significantly, it reduces the project risks through early warning systems and proactive stakeholder management. How do you ensure the ethical use of AI? Ethical AI use starts with transparency. Stakeholders should know where the AI is being used. We must avoid the biased data, protect the sensitive information, validate the AI outputs, and ensure the human remain accountable for all the final decisions. So you can explain this ethical word like every. Evaluate the initial output to see if it meets the intended purpose and your needs. Verify fact, figures, codes, and data using the reliable sources. Engage in every conversation with the Gen AI chatbot and provide the feedback. Give me a minute. So revise the results to reflect your unique needs, style, and tone. AI output is great starting point and shouldn't be the final product. So you are responsible for everything that keep the humans accountable. So the next question is, how do AI projects different from the traditional projects? AI projects are experimental and iterative by nature. Requirements evolve, outcomes depend heavily on the data quality, and the success is measured continuously. As project managers, we must plan for flexibility, frequent validation, and stronger governance. What are common challenges in AI projects? So the most common challenges that includes the poor data quality, unclear success met criteria, unrealistic expectations, and lack of stakeholder understanding. So many organizations underestimate the effort required for the data preparation and change management. How can AI support the agile project management? In agile environments, AI can predict the sprint completion, identifies the bottlenecks, analyze the velocity trends, suggests the backlog prioritization. This helps the prime project managers or the scrum masters to make informed decisions during the sprint planning and reviews. I have given other parameters also. You can also explain this after reading this. You can pause the video and go through it. How do you explain AI to the non technical stakeholders? So, when speaking to the non technical stakeholders, I avoid the technical terms. I explain AI in the terms of business values or business outcome, what problem it solves, how accurate it is, and how it helps decision making. The focus is always the outcomes, not the algorithms.